Losing strength in your legs? Finding it harder to stand up, climb stairs, or walk for long? You're not alone. After 50, our leg muscles naturally weaken, and that's one of the biggest reasons seniors lose balance or fall. But here's the truth. You can reverse it. Yes, with just 10 minutes a day, you can rebuild your strength, regain your balance, and move with confidence again. Take a deep breath, and let's begin. Welcome to Verve, where we help older adults stay strong, active, and independent. In this short routine, I'll guide you through gentle, science-backed exercises to rebuild your leg power safely at home. All you need is a sturdy chair, some space to move, and a bit of patience. Ready? Let's warm up those legs. Stand behind your chair for support, feet shoulder-width apart. Now start marching. Lift one knee, then the other. Keep your back straight, swing your arms naturally, and breathe in deeply through your nose, out through your mouth. If standing is difficult, you can march while seated. Just keep those legs moving. Feel that? That's your blood flowing. We're waking up your hips, thighs, and calves, the foundation of every step you take. Keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stay behind your chair. Now, lift your heels off the ground. Rise up slowly. Hold for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and gently lower. Now rock back on your heels, lifting your toes up. Hold again. Good. 1, 2, 3, lower down. Keep alternating, heels up, toes up, at your own pace. This strengthens your calves and the muscles at the front of your shins, both vital for balance and walking stability. Breathe naturally, keep your posture upright, and don't rush. Let's do 3 more together. 1, 2, and 3. Excellent. Now, feet a bit wider. Hold the chair lightly in front of you. Push your hips back, bend your knees slightly, and lower yourself a few inches like you're sitting on an invisible chair. Then, come back up. That's it. Feel your thighs and glutes working? Those are your power muscles. They help you stand, climb stairs, and stay steady on your feet. If this feels too easy, try it without holding the chair. If it feels hard, reduce the range. Even a small bend counts. Let's do 5 together. 1, 2, keep breathing. 3, 4, and 5. Well done. Hold your chair with one hand, shift your weight to your left leg. Now slowly lift your right leg to the side. Don't swing it, hold for 2 seconds, and lower down. Good. Let's do 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now switch sides. Lift the left leg, hold, lower down. Perfect. You're strengthening the gluteus medius, a key muscle that keeps you steady when you walk or climb stairs. It's also fantastic for improving balance. With time, you'll notice your steps feel stronger and smoother. Now take a seat, but sit near the edge of your chair. Place your feet flat on the floor, about hip-width apart. Cross your arms in front of you or use the armrests if needed. Now press your feet into the floor and push yourself up to a standing position. Then slowly sit back down. Beautiful. That's the exact movement you perform dozens of times a day, getting up from bed, the toilet, the car, or a chair. It's one of the best exercises to maintain independence. Let's repeat 5 times. Up and down. 2, nice and slow. 3, breathe in as you sit, out as you rise. 4, you're getting stronger. And 5, excellent work. If this feels too tough, use your hands more for support or do small knee pulses while seated. If it's too easy, cross your arms and slow down the motion to make it challenging. Now let's give your legs a short rest. Sit comfortably. Lift one foot slightly and rotate your ankle. Big, slow circles. One direction, then the other. Switch legs. Feel that gentle stretch? It helps circulation, flexibility, and reduces stiffness, especially if you sit a lot during the day. Most people underestimate how important ankle mobility is for balance and walking confidence. Keep those joints alive and active. Here's something most of my older patients don't realize. Standing up once in a while doesn't build real strength. It's like placing a few bricks randomly on the ground. They won't form a wall. But when you repeat these movements consistently, day after day, it's like stacking those bricks tightly, creating a strong foundation. That's how real muscle strength and balance return. So keep going, step by step, brick by brick. You're building stronger legs and a stronger life. Let's do one more round to lock in that strength. Sit near the edge of your chair, feet flat. Now stand up and sit back down, controlled and steady. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep breathing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Amazing job. You did it. Sit down and extend your legs slightly forward. Flex your feet, toes pointing toward you. Now slowly slide your hands down your legs until you feel a gentle stretch in your hamstrings and calves. Don't bounce, just breathe. In and out. Hold for 10 seconds. If you want, spread your feet wider and reach toward the floor to stretch your groin and lower back. Relax your shoulders and neck. Let your breath slow down. You did amazing work today. You've done great so far. Most people stop halfway, but not you. You showed up, you moved, and your legs are already thanking you for it. Now let's take it one step further, because leg strength isn't just built through exercise, it's also maintained through recovery, nutrition, and a few simple daily habits. So before we end, let's go through a few essential things you can do every single day to make these exercises even more powerful. Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and listen carefully. Every morning before you start your day, do this small movement. Stand tall beside your bed or chair. Lift your heels up, hold for 2 seconds, lower them back down. Repeat 10 times. It takes less than a minute, but it signals your legs it's time to wake up. This simple action improves blood flow, warms up your calf muscles, and prepares your joints for the day ahead. Small things done consistently, that's where strength comes from. If you watch TV or sit for long periods, don't stay still. Every 20 minutes, straighten one leg, lift it slightly, hold for 5 seconds, then switch. These small pulses keep your thighs and knees strong even while you're sitting. Remember, motion is lotion for your joints. The more you move, the better they feel. Now, here's something most people forget. Your muscles rebuild not during exercise, but during rest. That's why what you eat and drink matters. If you want a simple, natural boost for your leg strength, try this age-old remedy. Every morning and evening, mix a teaspoon of pure honey and a pinch of turmeric in a glass of warm milk. If you prefer water, that's fine too. This combination supports muscle repair, improves joint flexibility, and helps reduce inflammation, especially in aging knees and calves. It's gentle, natural, and time-tested. Before bedtime, spend just 2 minutes stretching your legs. Sit on your bed, extend your legs forward, and flex your feet toward you. You can also rotate your ankles slowly, 10 circles each side. It helps with circulation, reduces nighttime cramps, and ensures your legs feel light the next morning. If you'd like, massage your legs gently with warm mustard oil or coconut oil. This improves blood flow, keeps your skin hydrated, and relaxes tired muscles. Many of my older patients say this one small habit made them sleep better than any pill ever could. As we age, our posture affects everything, even our leg strength. When you walk or stand, keep your chest up, shoulders slightly back, and your gaze forward. Avoid slouching or bending your neck down for long periods. It throws off your balance. If you use a walking stick, hold it correctly, close to your body, not too far ahead. Small corrections like these prevent falls and protect your joints long term. Now, I know building strength again can feel slow. There will be days when your legs feel tired or your motivation fades. That's normal. But remember this, your body listens to your effort, not your excuses. Every time you move, stretch, or walk, your muscles record it. They adapt, they grow, and soon you'll realize standing up feels easier. Walking feels lighter, and you feel more confident in your own body again. So don't stop. Keep showing up, even if it's just 10 minutes a day. That's how progress happens. Let's summarize everything we did. Marching for circulation, heel and toe raises for balance, mini squats for strength, side leg lifts for stability, sit to stands for real-life power, ankle circles for mobility, and now small daily habits for lifelong leg health. If you followed this routine consistently, you'll notice changes within just 2 weeks. Steadier balance, better movement, and stronger steps. Remember, leg strength is not just about fitness, it's about freedom. The freedom to walk in your garden, to travel, to play with your grandchildren, to live without fear of falling. That's what we're working for. So take pride in every step you take, no matter how small. You're not just exercising, you're investing in your independence. If this video inspired you, subscribe to Verve for more simple, effective health routines made especially for seniors. We post weekly videos on strength, balance, joint health, and natural wellness, all backed by science and designed for your age group. Share this video with your friends or family who could use a little motivation, because when you move together, you stay stronger together. And if you want to go deeper, click the next video, where I'll show you 5 proven foods that keep your joints pain-free after 60. Until next time, keep moving, keep smiling, and remember, age is just a number when your legs are strong.